Okay, program cell death. Okay, in our level, we group program cell death and apoptosis as the same thing. But in research level, graduate school research level, researchers classify program cell death and apoptosis as two different processes. But in our level, you can assume that they are the same thing. So what is that? Why would cell want to kill themselves? So some cell they kill off because they are no longer needed, or because they are infected. The death by the apoptosis, you have advantage. Okay, no spillage of the cytoplasm because they may be infected. Then you don't want the spillage of the cytoplasm. No inflammation. The mitochondria degrade, protein degraded, fragmentation of the DNA. So the DNA inside the cell is actually broken down as well, and the cell is shrink. So basically, the cell does not burst out, because if the cell is infected, if the cell is burst out open, then it may cause the infection to other cells. So it is shrink, the cell is shrink, and then it is digested by other immune cells. So immune cell will come and digest it. One useful function of apoptosis is that it gives us the fingers, separate fingers. You see that in the embryonic stage, our fingers, they are webbed, so they are connected. And then because of the apoptosis, then the tissue connecting each finger, they are dead, so that we have separate fingers. That's the practical use of apoptosis. Now refer to our introduction. How come there's a algal bloom in Beijing? I mean, of course, there's heavy pollution there. So in 2008 Olympics, what happened? We call sea lattice. Yeah, that's so funny, sea lattice. A lot of nitrogenous waste, a lot of waste, they are dumped into water without processing. Yes, Chinese, they do that. Yes, we do that. They don't care. And then because a lot of chemical nitrogenous waste are dumped into the water, it becomes a fertilizer for algae. We call it eutrophication, meaning that it is over-fertilization. Over-fertilization causes a large algal bloom. When you have a lot of algal growth, and then what happens is that they use up all the oxygen in the water. When they use up all the oxygen in the water, it actually kills off all the living organisms. All the fishes, all the living organisms, they are dead. When they are dead, they give up more nutrient to the ocean here, and it actually it's like a positive feedback. It just gives the algae more growth. So that's about it for this lecture.